Mike Hughes here, and I'm looking at the Double K. Actually, I'm looking at Daniel right now. And you want to tell us a little bit about the products and maybe a little bit about your background?
Yeah, absolutely. So my name's Daniel Koval. I'm currently the deepest freediver in the United States. I dove to 108 meters. That's my U.S. national record for constant weight. But I do want to talk about the Double K freediving float here.
Okay.
The cool thing about this float is it's a little bit larger and has more buoyancy than most other floats that you're going to find. The cool thing about this one is I have this really big, thick 110 meter line, and it's one of the only floats where I can stuff in everything. The 110 meter line, a 25-pound weight for me going out and freediving. So it has reinforced nylon straps here with a stainless steel D-ring on the bottom. And there's holes, so if anyone's have a freediving float where it doesn't have holes on the bottom, they know how hard it is to lift that float out of water. You have to drain the water and stuff. So this is much better. It has the holes, but it's also really strong, sturdy, and holds up.
It's like a goodie bag too, though. It's 2 in 1.
Exactly. You can put anything in these, and it has a PVC material on the outside, so very durable, very strong. It has a nice hole that's compartment that separates it from the larger compartment that we put more gear in or anything. I mean, you can fit pretty much anything in there. If you're a scuba diver, you can probably put some extra small tanks or something in there. And then on this extra pocket, you can put mask, you can put weights, you can put anti-fog or anything like that. So just a really sturdy float. Something that I like on the sides or on the tops as well is you have 2 sets of handles. You have the ones on the top for lifting out of the water,
right,
and then you have the ones on the side for carrying it on the side if you want.
Going up the beach.
Yeah, there's a few D-rings along the side, but this is what I use in my freediving courses that I teach in Hawaii. And I have used the heck out of these things, and they just last for a really long time.
So what you're saying is it's a good thing you don't dive to 150 meters, because then you'd need a bigger bag.
Yes, that is, which Double K actually produces a larger float, so you can get these.
So you're in training for that.
Multiple sizes. I am, absolutely. So
that's too good.
Next year I'll dive a little bit deeper.
So if they want more information about the dive float bags?
Yeah, so this is the Double K bag, and you can find it at our Double K website. It's divingkk.com. And if you want to learn about more freediving courses or anything like that in Hawaii, you can go to my website, deepfreediving.com.
Perfect. Mahalo.
Thank you. Mahalo.